Had a bad leak. If you can see all the way through, it was rotted out, so I replaced the membrane here is torn. So I went ahead and took the scraper, the top layer off, and I gotta do a little better. Got some acetone. Clean up the surfaces. Clean this up. I'm gonna get some acetone over it. Clean the top here. The seal. And again, this is pretty much any RV. Has the seal around the sides, the seal up in the front. I'm gonna replace, as you can see with the wood, the water did good damage on it. So I'm gonna replace this piece here. I already got a support bracket there in the bottom. You see it, how you should fit in there. Yeah, there's a support bracket there, 2x. I got 2x4 here. There's a 1x2.5. Across. So what I'm going to do, come in here real quick. Got some of this Henry Enviro White acrylic. I also got some of this tight seal flashing. Got some self-leveling sealant. It's level itself out. They have a Henry self-leveling. Could not find it here at my local store. Amazon has it, but didn't want to wait. So, all right, I'm back. So as you can see, I've already applied the rollout flashing. It's like a piece of tar-backed sealant. Pretty flexible, bondable. Seals pretty damn good when it heats up. It's gonna sit a lot better. And right now I am applying some butyl tape that you get on Amazon. Pretty large roll for about 13 bucks, about 2 of them. It's for the windows and sills, so as you can see there, bring it all the way down. And once I bring it down, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cap down, bolt it in, and then I'm gonna apply that self-leveling, I guess like a caulking. That should do her up. All right, y'all, so I'm about to button this front end up. Put some butyl tape on the track. Not the prettiest on the back side, but the holes are cleaned up. So you can see it there, laying down. It's gonna go flashing, butyl tape here on the back side. Down, butyl tape on top. And come back, run a caulking, a seam of caulk, silicone. And after that, I'm gonna mop it with that Henry's. All right, so that's just with the cap on. Go down. These, couple of these, they didn't reach, so I just used a washer and a T-screw. Construction screw, 2-inch. And down the corner as well. So I'm gonna run some of this